Hello my followers, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Sedako and this is Sedako Tech Lab. Today quickly we are going to look at how we'll be able to identify our Trust wallet address. Most often people would want to send their crypto or receive crypto from other wallets, but it becomes difficult for them because they are not able to identify where these wallets are. So follow me through as I show you how you'll be able to identify your wallet, copy to anyone who wish to send you crypto, and you are good to go. Stick and stay, I'll be back for more. Alright, so welcome back guys. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell to get notified of any newly content that I upload on my channel. Make sure you like, share, and lastly, I would love it if you comment under the comment section. Thank you for supporting me. So without wasting much time, we'll just launch our Trust Wallet app. So how do we identify our Trust Wallet address? So all that you need to do here is make sure you come to settings, and then you tap on wallet. So the best thing to do to identify your wallet address is to make sure you go to wallet and then you tap on the asset that you want to see. So I'm going to start with Bitcoin. So if I tap on Bitcoin like this, then I will go for receive. You understand? So I'll go for receive, and it's going to take you to this portion where we have this address here. Now all that you need to do right now is make sure you tap on this button, which is copy. So you tap on copy, or better still, you can tap here, or you can scan the QR, or you can share. In either ways, the best way to go is to copy. So if you copy this, you'll be able to send whatever you've copied here to anyone who wants to send you a BTC. If you want to receive Ethereum, so you also tap on Ethereum as well. Go to receive, and the same thing here, you get the address here on your Android device. So this and many more are some of the ways you'll be able to get your address in order to receive your crypto in any of the tokens. So there are so many tokens here that you'll be able to tap. So if you want BNB2, the same thing, you go to receive, and then you go to receive, and you have copy here. You just copy that. So guys, that is all for today. This has been your boy Sedako, and this is Sedako Tech Lab. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and comment on my video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode. I'm out.